I have here some small luggage locks, Korjo luggage locks. It says quality security for your suitcase, briefcase, locker, solid brass case, stainless steel springs, brass pin tumbler, precision engineering. These locks are quite nice, but not very secure. A little bit more secure than some, but still, I wouldn't recommend them to lock up your valuables. Okay, so the lock works. What I've done is I bent a paperclip. You can see that I've put a little bit of a bend right at the tip. I've also created a tension tool. I've unbent a paperclip, folded in two, twisted it, and bent the end. I used long nose pliers for this because I wanted it quite small. This lock opening is very tiny. It's important to use light tension. Now, instead of using proper lock picking tools, someone can just unbend a couple of paper clips, and instead of picking the pins, can use another technique called zipping. If I just see if I can get this in, I'm going to angle it a little bit to the right because the core is facing a little bit to the right. I'm going to sort of press up and out all of a sudden, keeping light tension, and the lock is open. So that's how easy it is to get into one of these locks. So I wouldn't secure your valuables with a cheap lock. It's true what they say, you get what you pay for, and I'd recommend paying for a little bit more so that you're a little bit more secure than using one of these locks. Cheers.